Hi guys, today I'm going to be playing Islands once again. I said this would be the last video, but we're just doing one more video because this update is actually insane. So as you can see, there's already some details you might know, like the wind and the new tree designs. I'll get into that very soon. So this is a new update. This is called Islands Slime King or King Slime, whatever it's called. And if you haven't seen my last video for a different update, I can't really remember which one it was. So now let's get into the update thing. So as you can see, there's some little wind or little sparks and they're flying around. So the second thing that you might know is there's these radishes that only grow here, and I don't think I've explained this, but now there's this spring thing. You can see it on top of my my search log or box. So every season the map changes, so I'm actually really excited for winter because I really like the winter theme. Like the grass is white. Now you already probably noticed this, the trees are a little bit more dark because now they are actually starting to grow from the last update. If you haven't seen the Christmas update, there is some new things which were clearly just limited and they were deleted. So I wish that they added this update when it was the Christmas time, and then I could easily see the grass turn white. But in fall you can plant pumpkins, but you can't in spring because I think it makes sense. In fall there is Halloween and the pumpkins are part of Halloween, so yeah. So next thing is they have added a invisible thing, but I do not know what this is. So the next thing that they added was settings. So let me try and click on it. So this was not here before. Actually, I think it was. So as you can see, there's sound, graphics, social, and that's all for now. Unfortunately, there isn't any stuff. I thought they would add that, but there's also nothing for archery. I thought they would add some cool things like water and lava, but I don't think they did. So developer, please add water because that's the thing that I really want the most out of all of the updates. So next thing that they've added is a slime boss. If you think there's one for each island, you are wrong. So I have killed this I've killed this quite a lot. I think like 2 or 3 times. and there's a 15-minute cooldown, as you can see, 15 minutes. And this boss is so easy to defeat. I could even defeat it with one of my friends or someone. And as you can see, he's already done for. And I wish I could show you with my wooden sword, but I can't really right now because I don't have my alt account here. And yeah, so I use the Rage Blade quite a lot because it has a chance to go really fast. Okay, so now let's get into this glitch. So Skyblock, I think you made a mistake because go to the hub and then you go to blocks, right? Wait, these signs weren't up. So go to the blocks, then there's these blocks, and then if you go to the fisherman over here, like just about up here, then click on him. The water be perfect for fishing. Okay, so they have fixed that right now. I don't know how that actually happened. So I think that's for this update, or yeah, there's these radishes. I actually explained that. I'll do one more video on my alt account tomorrow so I can show you how to get them and how to sell them, because if you go to sell crops you cannot sell them. Actually, I'll just show you so it's not like so you believe me. Go to sell crops, right? Then look for a radish. Let me show you the radish. This is a radish, kind of like a plant. You can eat it. Let me just show you how much it does. So it does quite a lot, but the star fruit does way more. So try and find the radish. If you haven't, that means it's not here. So if you want to get the seeds, look here, but you can't find them. So I'll do a video very soon, like tomorrow, on my alt account to show you how to get these radish seeds and how to sell them. You can actually sell them for 64 each. So I think that's for this video. Actually, I think there's another thing. Yeah, I think there is. Hold on. Let me just. Okay, so if you want to see all of the secret places or some of the secret places, just stay to this video. If you just don't want to, you can click out of this video because I'm going to show some secret places now in Skyblock. I know this is not part of the update, but I just want to show you them because they have been existing for a long time. So the first one you want to go for is kind of close. Actually, it's somewhere here. Oh, it was in the old one. So unfortunately, I can't do the first one or the second one. Actually, hold on, I can with the windmill though, but I can't get up. So I actually don't know. Okay, I'm going to jump onto here, jump up here. Okay, I don't know how I'm supposed to do this. I'm not a parkour obby master. So now you get up to here, then jump over here. Then you have to do a little bit of parkour. and then you go up here, and then you'll see a baby, but I know it's not here because actually I thought it would be here, but it was in the old map. So before this map change, there was like, I'll tell you how this map got changed. So from the fishing festival, there was a thing here, like just over here. It was like a portal, there was a billboard, and this was actually really fun. Oh yeah, the last update was chickens. So I've been waiting a long time for this, and I thought they would add monkeys, but instead they added a spring thing. So I'm going to stick with this for a little bit and try to unlock a little bit more of my animal care, because of course it's going to be in Talia, because actually, yeah, Talia, because it is a egg. Monkeys in this game are actually going to be kind of big, but in Minecraft there are no monkeys existing. There might be a mod to add monkeys or anything like that. I think there's already a video on our channel. If there's not, just go look at our channel anyways. We do some daily videos, but sometimes we just don't. So that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Remember, actually, let's go for 10 likes and make sure to subscribe. So bye guys.